Well, go ahead, crush your nutrition goals and curb your cravings. These protein cookies double. Just take a few ingredients and fit in the keto diet. Let's get ready to bake.
So the first thing that you're going to start with is your mix. I got this one from Breeze because it just has 4 ingredients. You need a 5th if you want an add-in, and it also meets some of the nutrition that I'm looking for. So it's actually going to give you 8 grams of protein per cookie. So we're just going to go ahead and dump this mix in. It is vanilla, in case you're wondering. And I'm adding this into a medium mixing bowl. Again, you can get these mixes really anywhere for whatever kind of flavor profile you're looking for. Next thing we're going to add in is 1 egg and then also 1 egg white. Just going to add that. And then we're going to move into something I had to substitute. So I'm using yogurt, and it was supposed to be chilled applesauce, but you're going to put in 2 tablespoons. I've already added that. And then I'm going to add in my chocolate chips. And then what you want to do from here is use an electric mixer on medium speed for about 30 seconds, or just do it until the dough's formed.
Now, me personally, I don't have an electric mixer. So you've got to do it the old-fashioned way. Keep the dough low and keep on mixing.
So now that your cookie dough is the right consistency, you're going to actually form little cookie dough balls and put them onto a non-stick cookie sheet. I went ahead and put foil down because I hate cleaning up afterwards. You want them to be about 2 inches and also separated in space about 2 inches. That way they don't run into each other. Some of mine got a little close because my cookie sheet wasn't that big. I'm going to pop these into the oven. The oven's been baking on 350. And they will take about 5.5 minutes to finish. So I cannot wait to see these when they're done. Now on to the last step, which is my personal favorite, the taste test. This is what the cookie ended up looking like. And that's a pretty solid cookie. I would definitely recommend the extra add-in. I think the chocolate chip cookie helped to sweeten things up, but I also love that I'm getting 8 grams of protein in every cookie.
Well, Belinda says you could use coconut oil or vegan butter, and they would still be considered keto. Well, there you go.